very pleasant evening to all of you and very warm welcome to Forex Expo. Myself, Kiran Mahida from ProfitFX Markets, and it's an immense pleasure to introduce my company on this global platform. Okay, so let me quickly introduce my company. My company is founded in 2018. Okay, and my company, sorry, ProfitFX renowned STP broker founded in ProfitFX market is globally acquired brand recognition by currently we have initially we have a faced many hurdles, but we took all hurdles as a challenges, and now I proudly say that currently we are fastest growing forex broking globally. Okay, and few of more are the advantages are there. I like to share about you. Exceptionally 24 hours customer supports, free educations, easy funding options globally, swap free account, free copier, transparent pricing, expert advisors. Okay, many clients, many investors are using expert advisor on MT5 currently. Okay, low spreads. We promising my traders, my clients to provide a lowest spreads in the industries. Okay, highest IB commission. We are more focusing on a highest IB commission right now. We are providing highest IB commission, $23. Okay, so in my 12 to 20, 10 to 12 years industry experience, 23 IB commission not yet provided any broker. So we are right now providing a 23. So who actually like to join as a career in a forex market, okay, they can join us with a great IB commissions. Okay, so we are right now we have more than 300 employees on board and many branches in Asia, and we are focusing right now to that 300 numbers double in next quarter, and many more branches are upcoming right now in Asia itself. Okay, so we are now focusing on very much reliable on service part. Okay, we are facing lots of hurdle in initial days. Okay, we are very much new in the market, last 4 years only, 4 to 5 years only, but we are growing very rapidly, and my sales staff, my admin staff, okay, and my clients also support me very well. And we are now looking for the Western countries as well. We are very much having a presence in Asian countries, but now we are looking for the Western side. Okay, because we don't have a right now physical presence in Western side. So yes, we are also looking for the Western side like Cyprus, like Europe side. Okay, so we are now upcoming projects or upcoming business heads or upcoming my teams are next year maybe. Okay, so my team strength will be double and my office will be double. Okay, thanks a lot. Can you yeah, next slide. Okay. Okay. So I'm basically here to talk about that crude oil. Okay, many my colleagues, my traders, my clients are keep talking about that gold market. Okay, gold impact, gold global impact, all of that talking about that only gold. But I think we are now shifting to our focus to crude oil also, because the crude oil is a very dependable I think very dependable commodities in global market right now. You must be aware about that global political situations and crisis, crude oil crisis. Very developing countries, many developing countries are many established countries. The developed countries are also depending upon the crude oil. So we now think about that crude oil, how the crude oil impact on a global market, because many developed countries like Canada, like US, even New Zealand, okay, now they are very much depend upon the crude oil, and crude oil are right now is a not predictable yet. Is the gold market is right now predictable. Okay, the US policies, US action, you can predict your gold movement. But in the crude oil, you have to predict on a global situation. You have to predict on a global politics. You have to predict. Like on a OPEC plus countries. Okay, so you have to think about that. You have to analyze about that. Then global oil prices are key forex market driver. Key forex market driver that I mentioned that undoubtedly continue to shape economic trend. Whether you are trading in a CAD, USD, Australian dollar, Russian ruble, be sure to keep on an eye on a crude oil. Okay, so here I am just discussing with you about crude oil impact on a global market. So on a other side, keep talking about the oil too. Okay, I'm trying to talk about that crude oil, because crude oil is the second largest commodity and is 3% global GDP. 3% are depending on the crude oil. So we have to think about the crude oil, and we here are all forex broker duties are educate our client about the crude oil also. Okay. Thanks a lot for your time and patience. Thank you.